warning device. During potentially dangerous weather conditions, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. The National Weather Service office in Brownsville conducts the test of these receivers every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning verification, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though your receiver is in good working order. This concludes the test of the NOAA National Weather Service weather warning device system.
Surely a vacuum shouldn't just work on carpets.